I wanted to talk to you about our Pix-E series of on-camera recording monitors. They are a series of 3 different monitors. There's 2 5-inch models, the Pix-E 5, which is an SDI and HDMI model, and a Pix-E 5H, which is an HDMI only model. And there's also a 7-inch model, the Pix-E 7, which has dual SDI inputs and HDMI in and out too. In terms of screen, they all use an IPS touch screen, and the 5-inch models have a 1920 by 1080 resolution screen, and the 7-inch uses a 1920 by 1200 resolution screen. All the Pix-E series record up to 4K 30 frames per second or HD 1080p 60 frames per second, and they can record all flavors of ProRes codec, from ProRes Proxy all the way up to ProRes 4444XQ. Now, to record 4K in that high quality, you need to be able to record at very fast data rates. So we've come up with something called the speed drive, which basically looks like a USB 3 thumb drive, and it is that. It's a very fast way to transfer data to and from a Mac or a PC, but when you connect it into the back of a Pix-E, it becomes a very fast recording medium. Inside a speed drive, when you open it up, and it's 3 screws to open it up, is an industry standard SATA drive. They come in sizes up to 1 terabyte in size, so they can accommodate a lot of data. So the empty enclosure itself is around $59. A 250 gig SATA drive I've seen on the market for around $110. So it actually becomes quite an effective storage system. In terms of powering, we've got mounting positions for 2 L-mount Sony batteries. We have also a DC input here, which can take a range of voltages from 10 volts up to 34 volts. One of the key advantages of the Pix-E series is their build quality. They are die-cast aluminum chassis and a Gorilla Glass protective cover to the touchscreen. And we've done tests where we've actually driven a car over this device, and it carries on recording quite happily. So the interface is a combination of touchscreen and buttons. It has a full range of professional monitor functionality, including scopes, exposure tools like false color and zebras. We've got peaking for focus assist, and we've also got a really cool focusing tool called Tap Zoom, where you can literally just tap the screen and zoom into any position in the image, and you can even drag the screen around to track an object to easily maintain focus. There's a whole range of other features in here as well. We support HDMI and SDI triggers from pretty much all the common cameras on the market. We take timecode over SDI. We'll be supporting timecode over HDMI soon. At this show, IBC, we're showing a beta of LUT support. So if you're working with S-Log2 or S-Log3, Canon log, or even the Panasonic V-Log, we can basically decode those log signals on our LCD and our output, so you can test for correct and view correct exposure. So this is available now and is priced at $1,395. The HDMI only version is $1,195. Now I'd like to talk to you about some accessories here. This is a really cool accessory called the Pix-LR. Now this basically screws to the bottom via a 1/4 inch thread. Now this provides 2 very high quality sound devices caliber balanced XLR mic preamps and 2 balanced line outs. This Pix-LR also provides really nice sunlight readable audio metering and nice large transport buttons. And then we've got these pop-in pop-out gain controls for audio level 2. And this retails for around €350.